This is part one of this Gsxr rebuild. This Gsxr is gonna go from the ugliest 1000 that I've ever seen, and I think there is running out there, to the nicest one in the city.
Mama told me not to say a word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to say a word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to say a word. 17.5, same color t-shirt.
Let's get a little bit closer and check out this Gsxr and see what's actually so bad about it. To start off, you can see the headlight assembly has a film of tint over it and it is completely fogged up. Aside from the headlight, there's a bunch of other little things like these levers that are cut and just look awful. As you can see, the stock exhaust is still on this bike and it's scratched up. Rear lock for the seat that are just put together in the complete wrong way. Here you can get a little look at how banged up the fairings are, how they are covered in glitter. Somehow that glitter paint got on the rear caliper too. Let's not forget we got a oil temperature line just completely not hooked up. So every time you start this bike up, the cooling fan turns on. No heat shield, no problem. Let's just melt these crappy fairings away. Oh, and yeah, the fuse box, let's just leave it outside in case we blow fuses. It's probably blowing a whole bunch of fuses because the way all the wiring's set up on this bike anyways. I'll give this bike credit, it has a very nice stator cover, but the guy cheaped out and put Forma gasket on it. The gasket's $6.